Hello friends, welcome to district level toy fair Rajkot. I am Sojitra Ashish M. Sri Virpur Girls Primary School, Virpur Jalaram, Taluka Chaitpur, District Rajkot. My presentation is my touch pen. So let's see my presentation. My model name is touch pen device for mobile, laptop, palm top, and part number 2, online toys, mobile or web application based digital toy. Section upper primary level and category of toys, mobile or web application based toy, and model presentation by Ashish Sojitra, BSc B.Ed. My school name is Sri Virpur Girls Primary School, Virpur Jalaram. Cluster Pithadia, Tehsil Chaitpur, District Rajkot. My standard and my subjects are 6, 7, 8, maths and science. My model name is how to use and making touch pen. Aim: online or offline education of mathematics, science or extra any subjects or any standards during the lockdown period through the Android mobile and tablet or palm top or touch laptop. School educational limit standard 6 to 8 and age limit 11 years to 14 years. Use the things. These are non-used pen or sketch pens. This is candle, matchbox, copper wire and cotton. First of all, this model making time is only 10 minutes. Concept or skill studies, easy to for explaining and educating through the mobile. Bring awareness from clean environment into the children. Doing the homework in the mobile so that we can save the papers. We must do the paperless work by the mobile, tablets, laptops, palm top through our touch pen. We can also save the environment by the pollution. Let's see how our touch pen making process. First, take a pen, non-used pen. We remove our refill in it. Then remove its top point. Lighting to candle. Make a hole by the big needle by hitting with a candle and knock the needle on the candle. You see, I am making a hole with needle. Let's see this. This is a hole making by needle. Then second pen we also do same. And this is a copper wire with a coating. First of all, we remove this coating and take a only one wire. You see in video only one wire. This is the wire of copper. I am fill it into the hole of a pen and take out the point of the pen. Fill with a copper wire and take out the other ends. You see the point of pen. Then we close the other side of the pen and we filling the cotton into the space of the point of a pen. Yes, our touch pen is ready to work. Some water drops we spread into the cotton, 2 or 3 drops only. Let's you see now the touch pen is work for our mobile. This is our touch pens. I am making a lots of touch pen. How to work of the touch pen? Electricity of our body can operate the any mobile, laptop, palm top, other else through the copper wire and water. It's making a chemical reaction with a water and copper wire, and our special pen, touch pen, is worked. What is the use of touch pen. Through the touch pen, we can checking our students' homework, our class homework in Notepad or PowerPoint and the Mac PDF. So this decreasing the paper use of any standard, any subject. Thank you.